good.
Okay.
3.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go!
That was Sam, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Ah, well done. Man, that was quick.
That was quick.
Yeah, no messing around.
Alright.
That's it. We did it. What, you're doing best out of 3?
Three.
Or? Yeah? Okay.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, that was tough. It is, isn't it? Just need some jumps and be able to go out the side. Oh, he's doing well. Got it up the other end.
Don't see the ball. Oh. Ow!
It's off the field!
Okay, doing a corner. Ready? Throw in. Go!
Oh!
Oh, wait.
Oh!
What's happened to the goal? Oh. Oh, I see again.
I'll roll it out the corner.
Yeah, go corner.
Oh, nearly an own goal!
Yeah, nearly.
Hey! Thumped into the back of the net.
That's it. Sam. It's the winner.
I think I got an assist by Dom now.
No, don't blame me.
Okay. Death match between son-in-law and father-in-law.
Using the ALU35s from FMS. Great
Yeah, this is it.
Alright, you ready, Sam?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, sorry, go on, I'll do that.
Yeah.
You got it? Okay.
2, 1. Oh, she did already. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter.
Oh! Did he score?
He did. I think he's definitely cheating.
He definitely is.
Yeah. Alright, let's play, put the ball back into play.
Can't get out of the goal.
Alright. Okay, I think you're out.
You're gonna stop science now.
Okay.
Go.
No, you
Go for it.
Where are you shooting to?
I thought I was shooting this way.
Right.
Am I not?
No, go for it. Carry on.
Got me confused. I think we need it dug out of the corner, please, cameraman.
Okay, throw on.
Quickly defending my corner.
Oh no! No!
Oh, I'm off the pitch.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, yeah, you recovered. Well done.
Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
That's the hardest thing, isn't it? When it goes behind you, you don't know where it is.
You need to have a rear view mirror.
Alright, should I throw in? Oh no, it's in play again.
Ah.
Oh, there we go. Oh, quick, go. Oh, that was been so close.
Oh man. It's intense.
Yeah.
Wait, who's scoring who? What side's Dom scoring on?
He's going towards the sofas.
Can we have it knocked out the corner?
Yeah,
please?
ready? Alright, throw in.
I'm going towards the sofa, Dom's going towards the garden.
Oh, out.
Oh, alright, throw in. Oh, close.
It's all my years of Rocket League experience.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, it's set up.
Well,
Oh, sorry, you scored.
yes!
Jeez. What's that, 1-0?
That 1-0.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
There you go, this is the final then, like the deciding factor. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh!
If you just go full power into it, it'll knock it out.
Then we need it knocked out the corner.
No, you flick it out the corner. Oh, it's okay, got it. Alright. Oh, straight into the other corner. Alright.
Oh, so close.
Best of 5. Brilliant. Well, I think you narrowly won that. Narrowly won that, Sam.
He must be cheap.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
So many ways you can use these little FMS FPV cubs. Absolutely
Definitely.
brilliant.
It's just your imagination that holds you back, really, isn't it?
Yeah. So thanks for putting the football field together, Trev.
That's all right. It's good fun. Even that was good fun.
It was.
Yeah. Oh, well done. That was a good match.
Right, link for these are in the video description and the pinned comment on Flying Fin RC or the Essential RC video that you're watching now. Thanks for watching.
Adios.
Adios.
Adios.